Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to add previously used card to your Apple Wallet. So if you wish to use some card that you previously have added to your Apple Pay, all you need to do is to open the settings, then find and select Wallet and Apple Pay, and here click on Add Card. Now you will be able to see previous cards, so smoothly mark it. And if this is the one that you want to add, just tap on continue. Now provide your Face ID or pattern or whatever is connected with protection of this card. Then you have to provide your CVV code, so also let me do it off the screen. Once it is entered, tap on next, and here you will be able to see all the terms and conditions. Smoothly read, and if you do agree, just tap on agree. Then decide how you wish to verify this account, this card. So it's going to be text message to your account, to your phone number. So let me pick this one. Let's just wait a couple of seconds for the message. Actually, I have the ND mode, so give me a sec to locate it in messages. Okay, so I received the code. And it has been already applied. I didn't even have to provide it, but then you can copy and paste if it's necessary. So that's it. As you can see from now, you can pay with this card. So if you have double tap active, smoothly by tapping, you can use this card. Not this one, but that one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.